Recent years, more Americans than ever are finding creative ways to earn extra income. The traditional 9 to 5 job is no longer the only path to financial stability. With the rise of technology and flexible work opportunities, people are discovering side hustles that can bring in an additional $3,000 or more each month. This video will explore the most popular methods, real-life stories, and practical tips to help you get started on your own journey to financial freedom. Let's dive into the world of side hustles and see how everyday people are making it happen. Gig economy has transformed how Americans approach work. Instead of relying solely on one employer, many are taking on multiple gigs, short-term flexible jobs that fit their schedules. Platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit have made it easier than ever to find work on demand. This flexibility allows people to supplement their income without sacrificing their main job or personal life. The gig economy is not just a trend, it's a new way of working that's here to stay, offering countless opportunities for those willing to explore. Freelancing is one of the fastest growing ways Americans are making extra money. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect skilled individuals with clients who need everything from graphic design to writing and programming. Freelancers can set their own rates, choose their projects, and work from anywhere. This level of control is appealing to many, especially those looking to balance family, studies, or another job. With dedication and the right skills, it's possible to earn thousands of dollars each month through freelancing. Remote work has become a game changer for many Americans seeking extra income. Thanks to advancements in technology, more companies are offering remote positions that can be done from home or anywhere with an internet connection. These jobs range from customer service to tech support, marketing, and even teaching. Remote work provides flexibility and eliminates commuting, allowing people to take on additional roles or projects. This shift has opened up new possibilities for earning more without leaving the comfort of home. Driving for rideshare companies like Uber and Lyft is a popular way to earn extra cash. Many Americans use their personal vehicles to pick up passengers during their free time, turning idle hours into income. The flexibility to choose when and where to work makes rideshare driving an attractive option for those who want to supplement their earnings. Some drivers even make it a full-time job, but for most, it's a reliable side hustle that can bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. Food delivery apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub have created new opportunities for earning extra money. By delivering meals to customers, drivers can make money during lunch, dinner, or late-night hours. The demand for food delivery has surged, especially in urban areas. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy driving and want to work independently. With the ability to choose shifts and locations, many Americans are finding food delivery to be a flexible and profitable way to boost their monthly income. Online tutoring has become a lucrative side hustle for many Americans with teaching skills or subject expertise. Platforms like VipKid, Chegg, and Tutor.com connect tutors with students around the world. Whether it's helping with math, science, or language learning, tutors can set their own schedules and rates. This opportunity is especially popular among teachers, college students, and professionals looking to share their knowledge while earning extra income. Online tutoring offers the satisfaction of helping others while making a significant financial impact. Those with a creative side, selling handmade goods online is a rewarding way to earn extra money. Websites like Etsy and eBay allow crafters and artists to reach a global audience. From jewelry and clothing to home decor and art, handmade products are in demand. Sellers can turn hobbies into profitable businesses, working at their own pace and building a brand. This side hustle not only brings in extra income, but also provides a platform for creativity and entrepreneurship. Reselling items online is a popular way to make extra cash. Many Americans buy products at a discount from thrift stores, garage sales, or wholesale suppliers, then resell them on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. This side hustle requires a keen eye for valuable items and some marketing skills, but it can be highly profitable. Reselling allows people to declutter their homes, learn about market trends, and develop business skills while earning a steady stream of additional income. Pet lovers are turning their passion into profit by offering pet sitting and dog walking services. Apps like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with trustworthy caregivers. This side hustle is perfect for those who enjoy spending time with animals and want flexible work. Pet sitters can earn money by watching pets in their homes or taking dogs for walks. It's a fun and active way to supplement income, and many find it rewarding to help busy pet owners care for their furry friend. Renting out a spare room, apartment, or even your entire home has become a common way to earn extra income. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO make it easy to list your space and connect with travelers. Many Americans use this strategy to cover mortgage payments or save for vacations. With the right location and amenities, property owners can make significant profits. This side hustle does require some effort in cleaning and communication, but the financial rewards can be substantial. Investing in the stock market is another way Americans are building extra income streams. With apps like Robinhood and E*Trade, it's easier than ever to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other assets. While investing carries risks, many people educate themselves and start small, gradually increasing their investments as they learn. Over time, dividends and capital gains can add up to a significant monthly income. This approach requires patience and research but can pay off in the long run. Real estate investing remains a tried-and-true method for generating extra income. Some Americans buy rental properties, while others invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms. Rental income provides a steady cash flow, and property values often appreciate over time. This side hustle requires upfront capital and research, but it can lead to substantial monthly earnings. Real estate investing is ideal for those looking for long-term wealth building and passive income opportunity. Affiliate marketing allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services online. By sharing special links on blogs, social media, or YouTube, marketers earn a percentage of each sale made through their referral. This side hustle is popular among content creators and those with a strong online presence. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can generate a steady stream of passive income, making it a favorite among Americans seeking financial freedom. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where sellers don't keep products in stock. Instead, they partner with suppliers who ship items directly to customers. Americans are launching dropshipping stores on platforms like Shopify, selling everything from clothing to gadgets. This business requires marketing skills and customer service, but it eliminates the need for inventory. With dedication, dropshipping can become a profitable side hustle, bringing in extra income each month. Print-on-demand businesses allow Americans to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the item is printed and shipped by a third-party provider. This model is perfect for creative entrepreneurs who want to monetize their designs. With platforms like Printful and Teespring, starting a print-on-demand store is easier than ever. Many people are turning their artistic talents into a steady stream of extra income. Businesses of all sizes need help managing their social media accounts. Americans with marketing skills are offering their services as social media managers, creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. This side hustle can be done remotely and often pays well, especially for those with experience. Social media management is a great way to turn digital skills into extra income while helping brands grow their online presence. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from a distance. Tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling customer service. Americans are finding virtual assistant roles on websites like Belay and Upwork, often working with multiple clients. This side hustle offers flexibility and the chance to develop valuable business skills. For organized and detail-oriented individuals, being a virtual assistant can bring in a reliable extra income each month. Content creation is booming, with Americans earning money through blogs, YouTube channels, and podcasts. By sharing valuable information or entertaining content, creators attract audiences and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. This side hustle requires creativity and consistency, but can become a significant source of income. Many creators start part-time and eventually turn their passion into a full-time career, enjoying both financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Americans with expertise in a particular field are creating online courses and offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share knowledge and earn money. Whether it's fitness, business, or personal development, there's a demand for quality instruction. This side hustle allows people to help others while building a scalable income stream. With the right marketing, online courses and coaching can generate thousands of dollars each month. Participating in online surveys and market research studies is a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies pay for consumer opinions to improve their products and services. While this side hustle won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn a little extra during downtime. Many Americans sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize their earnings. It's a flexible option that can be done from anywhere, making it a popular choice for students and stay-at-home parents. Mystery shopping is a unique way to earn extra money while evaluating businesses. Companies hire mystery shoppers to visit stores, restaurants, or service providers and report on their experiences. Americans enjoy this side hustle because it combines work with fun activities like shopping or dining out. Payments vary, but some assignments also reimburse expenses. Mystery shopping is ideal for detail-oriented individuals who enjoy exploring new places and providing feedback. Seasonal jobs offer a great way to earn extra income during busy times of the year. Retailers, delivery companies, and event organizers often hire temporary workers for holidays or special events. Americans take advantage of these opportunities to boost their earnings, especially during the winter holidays or summer months. Seasonal jobs can range from warehouse work to event staffing, providing valuable experience and extra cash when it's needed most. Task-based apps like TaskRabbit and Handy connect people with short-term gigs, such as furniture assembly, cleaning, or moving help. Americans use these platforms to find quick jobs that fit their schedules and skills. Task-based work is ideal for those who prefer hands-on activities and want to earn money without a long-term commitment. With the ability to choose tasks and set rates, many are turning to these apps for reliable extra income. Fitness enthusiasts are turning their passion into profit by offering personal training or group classes. Americans are becoming certified trainers and teaching sessions in person or online. This side hustle is perfect for those who enjoy helping others achieve their health goals. With flexible hours and the ability to set rates, fitness training can bring in a steady stream of extra income while promoting a healthy lifestyle. Photography is a popular side hustle for Americans with a creative eye. From portraits and events to stock photos, there's a demand for quality images. Photographers can sell their work online or offer services for weddings, parties, and businesses. This side hustle allows for flexible scheduling and the chance to turn a hobby into a profitable business. With the right marketing, photography can generate significant extra income. Providing childcare is a trusted way to earn extra money. Many Americans offer babysitting, nannying, or after-school care for families in their communities. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy working with children and want flexible hours. With background checks and references, caregivers can build a reputation and secure regular clients. Childcare services are always in demand, making this a reliable option for supplemental income. House cleaning services are in high demand, especially in busy urban areas. Americans are starting cleaning businesses or offering services through apps like Handy. This side hustle requires attention to detail and reliability but can be very profitable. Cleaners set their own schedules and rates, often working with multiple clients. House cleaning is a straightforward way to earn extra income while helping others maintain a tidy home. Lawn care and gardening services are a great way to earn extra money, especially during the spring and summer. Americans offer mowing, landscaping, and garden maintenance to neighbors and local businesses. This side hustle is perfect for those who enjoy working outdoors and want flexible, seasonal work. With the right equipment and marketing, lawn care can become a profitable business that brings in extra income year-round. Handyman services are always in demand for small repairs and home improvement projects. Americans with skills in carpentry, plumbing, or electrical work offer their expertise to homeowners. This side hustle allows for flexible scheduling and the ability to set rates. Handyman work can range from simple fixes to larger renovations, providing a steady stream of extra income for those with the right skills. Car detailing is a profitable side hustle for those who enjoy working with vehicles. Americans offer cleaning and detailing services to car owners, often traveling to clients' homes or workplaces. This business requires some equipment and attention to detail but can bring in significant extra income. Car detailing is especially popular in suburban areas, where busy professionals want their vehicles looking their best without the hassle. Event planning is a rewarding side hustle for organized and creative individuals. Americans help plan weddings, parties, and corporate events, handling everything from logistics to decorations. This business requires strong communication and problem-solving skills but can be highly profitable. Event planners often work evenings and weekends, making it a flexible option for those with other commitments. With a growing demand for memorable events, this side hustle offers both financial and personal rewards. Bilingual Americans are earning extra income by offering translation services. Businesses, authors, and websites need documents translated into different languages. This side hustle can be done remotely and often pays well, especially for less common languages. Translators set their own rates and choose projects that match their expertise. With globalization, the demand for translation services continues to grow, making this a valuable and profitable skill. Voiceover work is a unique side hustle for those with a clear speaking voice. Americans record audio for commercials, audiobooks, and online videos. This work can be done from home with basic equipment and offers flexible hours. Voiceover artists often find gigs on freelance platforms or through agencies. With the rise of digital content, there's a growing need for quality voice talent, making this a lucrative way to earn extra money. Americans are making extra money by renting out equipment they own but don't use every day. From cameras and tools to party supplies and outdoor gear, there's a market for short-term rentals. Websites like Fat Llama make it easy to connect with renters. This side hustle requires minimal effort and can turn unused items into a steady income stream. It's a smart way to monetize assets and help others access what they need. Focus groups pay participants to share their opinions on products, services, or advertising. Americans sign up for in-person or online sessions, providing valuable feedback to companies. Payments can range from $50 to several $100s per session. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy sharing their thoughts and want to earn extra money in their spare time. Focus groups are a fun and interactive way to supplement your income. Becoming a mobile notary is a profitable side hustle for Americans who want flexible work. Notaries travel to clients to witness signatures on legal documents. This service is in demand for real estate transactions, wills, and contracts. Mobile notaries set their own schedules and fees, often earning extra income by charging travel fees. With minimal startup costs and steady demand, this is a reliable way to boost monthly earnings. Junk removal is a hands-on side hustle for those who don't mind physical work. Americans help homeowners and businesses clear out unwanted items, charging by the load or hour. This service is especially popular during moving season or after renovations. Junk removal can be started with a truck and some basic tools, offering a straightforward way to earn extra money while helping others declutter their spaces. Helping people move is a classic way to earn extra income. Americans offer moving services through apps or independently, assisting with packing, lifting, and transporting belongings. This side hustle is ideal for those who are physically fit and enjoy active work. Moving services are always in demand, especially in cities and college towns. With the right equipment and reliability, movers can build a steady client base and earn significant extra cash. Laundry services are a convenient side hustle for Americans looking to earn extra money. By washing, folding, and delivering clothes, individuals help busy families and professionals save time. This business can be started from home or through apps that connect service providers with clients. Laundry services offer flexible hours and the potential for repeat customers, making it a reliable way to supplement income. Baking and catering are delicious ways to earn extra income. Americans with culinary skills offer baked goods, meal prep, or catering services for events. This side hustle allows for creativity in the kitchen and the chance to serve the community. With the right recipes and marketing, bakers and caterers can build a loyal customer base and generate significant extra earnings, especially during holidays and special occasions. Crafting and DIY projects are popular side hustles for creative Americans. By making and selling handmade items like candles, jewelry, or home decor, individuals turn hobbies into income. Online marketplaces and local craft fairs provide platforms to reach customers. This side hustle offers flexibility and the satisfaction of sharing unique creations with others. With dedication and marketing, crafting can become a steady source of extra money. Americans are earning extra income by renting out their cars, bikes, or RVs. Platforms like Turo and GetAround make it easy to list vehicles for short-term rentals. This side hustle is perfect for those with an extra vehicle or who don't use their car every day. Renting out vehicles can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month, turning idle assets into profitable opportunities. Passive income streams are highly sought after by Americans looking to make money with minimal ongoing effort. Examples include investing in dividend stocks, creating digital products, or renting out property. These methods require upfront work or investment but can generate income month after month. Building passive income takes time and planning, but the rewards are worth it. Many people combine several passive income streams to reach their financial goals. If you're inspired to start earning extra income, begin by assessing your skills, interests, and available time. Choose a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and set realistic goals. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to try different opportunities. With consistency and effort, it's possible to make an extra $3,000 or more each month, just like millions of Americans are doing today. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step.